Welcome to Tinker Lab at Home Motor Machines. Imagine you are riding a bike on a highway and suddenly a small puppy comes on the road. What do? You hit the brakes. So today we will see how the disc brake works. For that, let's do an activity. So you will need these materials for it. So from box 3 I'll take out one 10 ml syringe. We'll need a 5 ml syringe. We need this tube and we'll need a straw, right? We'll also need the bike pop, direct toe, the two holder bits. We'll need the double pop. We'll need the motor bit, and to make the motor work we'll need the 3-volt power source. So let's get started. So we'll start with the bike pop and we'll have to insert these holders here. So one will place vertical and one will place horizontal, right? Now the double pop bit will place here. Into the double pop bit we'll fix the motor. Now to hit the brakes we need a wheel, right? So let me get the wheel now. So in this board you will have this wheel with the activity name written on it, right? So this wheel we will fix into the thin straw like this, and this thin straw will fix onto the motor. So later we may have to make the adjustments. Okay. Next, onto the direct toe bit, from the same board we need a holder for our syringe. So we'll place a syringe holder like this, and this will go into the horizontal holder. Now the 5 ml syringe will be have to insert in the syringe holder. So this you should insert in such a way that opening of the syringe is away from the motor bit, right? And to that we will attach the tube, and then into the 10 ml syringe we'll have to fill water. So I have filled here approximately 8 ml of water. You can also increase or decrease the amount of water and you can explore more. So once the water is filled in the larger syringe, fix it to the other end of the tube. Now the setup is almost complete. We just have to connect the power source to the motor. Now once the connections are done, we have to switch on and let's see if this is working. So as you can see here, this is wobbling too much. Right? So the straw is wobbling too much. So what I'll do is I'll reduce the length of the straw. And switch on the motor. Now it's rolling perfectly. So now what we have to do is we have to push the 10 ml syringe to stop it, but it's not going there. So let me pull this back up and adjust the height of the direct toe bit, and just pull this up a little bit. So in this way you have to keep tinkering and make it work. Okay, so now let's try again. Again I'm switching on. Again I'll push the 10 ml syringe now. So as you can see, as soon as I push the 10 ml syringe, the 5 ml syringe came out and stopped the rotating wheel. Again when I pull it back, it starts rotating. So in the same board again you have a bigger wheel also. So you can change the wheel and you can tinker and you can play more. Also you can change the amount of water in the syringes. So keep tinkering. Thank you.